What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Ennui from Inside Out 2. Now we're going to be drawing this character with the head tilted down towards the left. So the easiest way to start is with the edge of the hairline. Let's start from the very top. Just going to bend this out and then down to right about there. And that's part the hair, going out and up. I want to bend that back in to line up with the hairline. Let's continue this curve, going down. Now we're going to add another part. Let's go a little bit longer, going up and in. And taper that back down. Let's continue this curve all the way down towards the edge of the hair. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw the top edge of the head. Going out, rounding this out, and then come down towards that bottom point. Now with the hair in place, it'll be easier to line up the eyes. Let's start from the top. We're just going to leave a gap, then the eye coming across, just following the edge of the hair coming down. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes, come all the way down towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the top and draw the bottom edge of the eye. Coming around, and then up, and do the same thing across the bottom eye. Now we're going to tuck the iris and pupil underneath the eyelid. We're going to start right in the center of the top eye, draw a small half circle. On the bottom eye, we're going to push this up, around, trace this along the inside from the pupil, and we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now from the inside edge of the bottom eye, we're just going to angle the nose. We're going to come down towards the tip, to right about there. Let's round out the nose. And I want to bend this back around and then up. Now let's add some shape to the head. From this top point, we're going to step down, bend the head going across, and then bend that down towards the base of the neck. Then we'll go underneath the bottom eye, underneath the hair, come in and up underneath the nose, continue along the inside, going around, and then down. Let's flop some hair across the top of the head. Starting up here, bend this around and down, and then bend that back up. Now we're going to add the mouth across the bottom. Start by going up and then down towards the outside. Round up the corner, going up and then out. And we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. And then just underneath, we're going to add a fold for the lower lip. Let's go back and add a fold underneath the eye. Start from this point, come down and then out. And then just underneath the nose, come down and out. Now we want to layer the hair in behind the head. So from the edge of the nose, we're going to step in, come down, round up the hair, and then bend that up. And then we're going to add some layers going out towards the left. Start from the bottom of this curve, come down, around, and then up. Let's do that again. Coming down, and up. Let's go all the way back up towards the bottom of the head, bend this in, come around. Now I just want to tuck this in behind. Now with the head complete, let's go back and draw in the collar. From the base of the neck on the left, we're going to step up, curve this around, go across and up towards the right side, and we'll fill this inside area in black. Let's go to the right side of the neck. Just going to come down and across towards the bottom of the arm, round out the arm, and then bend that back up. I just want to taper the arm so it gets narrower as it comes back up towards the top. Let's add the cuff along the bottom with a curve, almost like a half circle. And then on the left side of the collar, it's going to bend this down and in. And just close off the collar. Now let's add in the hand. Starting from the right side of the cuff, come down and out towards the first finger. Round out the finger, and then pull that back up. Let's add 2 more fingers. Starting from the bottom, coming down, around, and then up. The third finger, we're just going to pull this up just underneath the cuff. Let's layer the phone in behind the hand. From this top point, we're going to step down, come down, flatten this off, and then go back in behind the fingers. Let's line up the top on the right side of the hand, going out, down, and then flatten off the bottom. Let's go back up to the top of the cuff, draw the thumb, going out and then down in behind the phone. Now we're going to go back up to the top of the collar, draw the body. I'm going to come down, bend this out, round up the belly, and then pull that back in towards the cuff. Let's draw the bottom of the sweater, stepping back out, coming down and out. Underneath the sweater, we're going to bend the leg, going out, round the leg, and then come back over towards the right. Round out the bottom of the leg, and then bend that up. Let's close off the back of the leg, just pulling this in underneath the phone. Now let's draw in the back leg. We step over, draw that same curve going out, come down, and then just tuck that in. Let's add the cuff underneath the ankle, going down and then up. Do the same thing on the left side. Now on the right side of the cuff, draw the heel, coming down and around. Round out the bottom of the foot and go out towards the toe. Let's round out the toe and just pull that back in underneath the cuff. Now draw the same foot on the back side, going out toward the toe and then pulling that back in. Now I'm going to separate the heel with a square, coming down and in and straight down, and I'll separate the toes with a curve. And we'll sign an art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Ennui from Inside Out 2. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.